What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today we're taking a look at some true wireless earbuds that I picked up from Best Buy. So these are the Jabra Elite 65T True Wireless Earbud Headphones. Now I picked up the copper black. I wanted something just a little bit different, so I hope I like them. These are on sale right now for $99.99. That's a $50 savings. And they also come in different colors, so you can get them in the copper black. You also can get them in the beige gold, and you also can get them in the titanium black right there. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to go over and order some, or just go to your local Best Buy. Well, we can't go in the stores right now, so if you want to order them online and go pick them up, then I'll leave the link there. So let's look at some of the features here. So these are they are true wireless 65T or third generation true wireless earbuds. Experience the stability that lets you take calls and listen to music without worrying about dropouts. You can use them all day, offer 5 hours battery life, and you can get an extra 10 hours using your case. So for a total of 15 hours, perfect for calls and voice quality. It has 4 microphones that give you effective wind noise reductions on calls. You have the passive noise cancellation feature as well. These have these IP55 rated design. So these are water and dust resistant. These have the hear-through technology, provides external ambient sounds into the earbuds for awareness. So these have voice command as well. You can connect instantly to Alexa, Siri, and Google Now. So these are some of the features. I will leave a link where you can go over and read some more about these. Now these have been out about a couple of years now, and I decided I wanted just an extra pair. I have the AirPods first gen, and I have the Samsung Earbuds Plus, and these would be something else. They have a good price on them, and supposedly they're pretty good. So here's the packaging. Elite 65T. There are some of the same specs that I read off right there, and beautiful packaging here. Content that's within on that side. Superior sound for 150 years. And then here are some more of the specs that I read off. And at the bottom, these do work with Apple and Android. The Elite 65Ts, IP55, water and dust, splashing water and dust. There it is, 2-year warranty. Let's jump in the box, see what we got, guys. So I am very interested in seeing how these sound. Now these will probably just stay in my bag, and or wherever I need to use them at. These probably won't be my number one go-to earbuds, since I have a couple other pair, and I do really like my AirPods a lot more than my Galaxy Buds. So if I can get this out, there it is. So let's put that box over there and see how we get in this. So it's got a pull tab. It's outside of this box. And let's pull this out. So very nice presentation here. So welcome to Superior Sound. Here are the copper ones. They look pretty dope, man. They're not really bright looking. And let's see what else we get here. So superior sound starts with a superior fit. So these, you get your quick start guide here. You get these. Now the only thing about these are micro USB. They're not Type C. And then you get your extra bud tips right here. So you get that. You get your case, your charging case. It's not too big. It's plastic. And let's see how you get in this dude without fingernails. So there it is, just like that. And there are the little contacts on the inside that your buds are going to fit up against. A little bit of Jabra branding. And this is plastic. Does have a light there, and I guess I activated it by pulling that piece of paper out. So let's take a look at the buds now. So here they are, as you guys can see. These are very lightweight. They don't feel very heavy. But as you can see, you do have your microphones. Now these have an actual button that you push and click. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And then here's the tips there. These are marked left and right. You guys can see left and right there. Then there are your little contacts and a little branding on them as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get these paired up. I'm going to use my iPhone here. And I do have the app already on here. It's called Jabra Sound Plus. That's the app. And it's searching for them now. So let me go ahead and get these powered on. See if they have any power. And I haven't read any instruction, guys. So there is a flashing light there. And the app has found, and I just have to go through and pick out my set, which are the 65Ts. So next it says turn off the headset. For 3 seconds, hold this down. Turn off the headset by holding down the multifunction button until the LED flashes red. So the only one that is flashing is this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold this down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and there it is. Turn it off. Let's go next here. Put in pairing mode. Put the Jabra Leads in pairing mode by pressing and hold down the multifunction button on the right earbud until it flashes blue. Then go to Bluetooth settings on your phone. All right, so there it is. It's flashing blue. You guys can see. So now I'm going to go to Bluetooth settings on my phone here. Let's go to settings, Bluetooth, and there the Jabra Elite are right there, 65T. So I'm gonna see, wait until this pairs. And they are connected now. So as simple as that to pair them, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to go back into the app. Connection successful. Jabra 65T now connected to your phone. So welcome to Sound Plus. Follow the setups. So for voice assistant, I'm going to choose my assistant. I'm going to leave it on iOS. That's going to be my default, but I could set it up for Alexa if I wanted to. And now that is done. And now I'm going to skip because I don't want a quick start guide. I want to go ahead and get into it. So here's the app. So at the top you have moments, my moments, communicate, and focus. So you do have your hear through technology right here. I'm going to turn that on so you can adjust how much you want that to be. I'm going to leave it about halfway right now. You do have your equalizer where you can set your bass, your mids, your highs. And what I'm going to do is just go through this, and I'm going to come back and tell you guys what I think about it and go into it a little bit more. Music presets. You have natural, speech, bass mode, treble boost, smooth, and energy. And then you have your soundscape, which these are just for relaxation. Mask the noise around you right there. And then you have rainy days, songbirds, different things that you can listen to just to relax a little bit. And then if you go over here, Here's some more settings. It gives you the battery percentage. I can check for updates. I can go in and set the voice assistant like we did earlier. Register my Jabra elites. Find my Jabra, so you can go in and activate that feature, which is nice. Voice guide language. So I guess you can go in and set up different languages here. Yeah, mine is set to English, as you guys can see. And then you do have your guides and manuals there. Discover. These cards will show you news and updates, walkthroughs and promotions. So that's what Discover, and then About. So this would give you all your technical information, support, and different things of that nature. So they look like the extent of the app. Now I'm going to use these the rest of the day, so that the next part of this video will be me after 24 hours with the device, and I'll tell you what I think about using them after that time. All right, guys, catch you guys on the next part of this video. All right, guys, so it has been 48 hours since I made the first part of this video, and the price at Best Buy the sale has left, and so they're back up to I think $150. So that sale didn't last long. It may have been like a flash sale or something like that. But anyway, let's get into my experience with these after 48 hours. First, I want to talk about this case. It's all plastic, uses micro USB charging on it, and it just feels flimsy, kind of, it's not the best quality case. And getting into the case, you don't just pull up on it there. There's no way. They don't have a little indentation there to put to get your finger in there, so you have to push in on the top of it and to get it open. Another thing with this case, if you don't close it all the way, you're gonna have to be careful because they're not magnetized in there, and they will fall out very easily on you. And so that's the case. I haven't had to charge these in the time that I've had them. So far, these have been great. So let's talk about the earbuds themselves here. So they're very lightweight and comfortable. I didn't have any issues with these being in my ears. My ears didn't get tired or start to hurt or anything like that. The controls, volume up and down here. You do have some little notches right there. If my camera will focus on them, that's volume up and down. The way these are designed to go into your ear are pretty nice, and it just being so light, I didn't have an issue with them being in my ear. The controls on this to let the hear through work, it's pretty easy. Double tap on that to get it to hear through, and it works. Hear through works pretty good. It's not the best, but it works okay, and it gets over. Phone call quality on these were excellent. But people didn't know I was using these until I told them. And so phone calls, excellent. I used these with my Pixel Slate over there. There was some latency with this device, watching videos and things of that nature. I did have issues with these staying connected. With my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, I had a few issues with latency and things of that nature. With my iPad Pro 11-inch, no issues at all. It stayed connected, and these sounded great. Now, using them with my Samsung phone for phone calls, they were excellent. With my iPhone, I did not make calls or anything because I don't have a SIM card in this, but I did watch videos and things of that nature with this, and no latency with the iPhone. With your Apple devices, when these are connected, you do get the percentage over here as well, and no issues with any of the Apple devices. Just a little bit of latency, especially with the Pixel Slate. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 wasn't bad, and within the app, you can control your hear through, and that works pretty well. Like I said, it's not the best. It's not as good as on my Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. You can set your presets here and not use the equalizer. And then you do have your soundscape here, which I didn't really use any of those, but that's what you have in the app. The main things, you can use these without the app, and they work great. So, but so far I really like them. They're very lightweight. The gold, the copper color is not as pronounced as I thought it would be. But these are nice if you can catch them at the price that I got them at for 99 bucks, then I think they're a great buy. The case is not the best, so but these work with all of these devices, and they just didn't work too good with the Google Pixel Slate. So, but anyway, guys, that's my 48 hours look at these Jabra Elite 65Ts. They're an older pair of earbuds, but they work great. Call quality is great. The skip, pause, activate phone calls, volume up and down, all of those controls work great, no issues. They feel good in your ear. I'm using the same tips that came out of the box. You do get extra tips that come with them. The microphones, everything are excellent. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.